Sugarcane wakes with the rising sun. Its path toward pure sugar quietly begins.
Hands test sugarcane for readiness. Harvest starts with experienced eyes. Peel releases the juice within sugarcane. Each fall brings sugar closer. Gathered sugarcane forms neat order. Transport is moments away. Machines accept the weight of sugarcane. Movement begins. Cut sugarcane gathers for its journey. Momentum increases. Sugarcane leaves its birthplace. Industry awaits its sweetness. Distance shrinks between field and factory. Sugar begins to feel inevitable. Sugarcane arrives at transformation's doorstep. Inside, science takes command. Weight guides the flow of sugarcane. Precision rules the process. Gravity drops sugarcane into machinery. The shift becomes mechanical. Hopper arranges unruly sugarcane. Order supports efficiency. Sugarcane crosses into controlled space. Cleanliness begins. Water clears the field from sugarcane. Purity takes its first step. Drums polish the outer sugarcane fibers. Sorting follows naturally. Sugarcane finds structured movement. Flow becomes organized. Human judgment refines sugarcane's quality. Only strong stalks proceed. Sugarcane nears its first transformation. Cutting unlocks inner value. Fragmented sugarcane exposes more surface. Extraction comes next. Crushing releases the heart of sugarcane. Raw sugar juice flows free.
Juice carries the sweetness of sugarcane. Containment centralizes progress.
Fresh sugarcane juice gathers in volume. Pressure pushes it forward.
Movement guides sugarcane's liquid essence. Clarification awaits.
Heat separates impurities from sugarcane. Purity rises above. Clarity grows within the sugarcane solution. Only clean liquid moves on. Evaporation thickens sugarcane's sweetness. Water steps aside. Juice condenses into dense sugarcane syrup. Concentration intensifies. Under vacuum, sugarcane syrup approaches crystallization. Structure begins emerging. Sugar shows its first solid form from sugarcane. Crystals now take shape. Sugar separates from sugarcane molasses. Rotation reveals purity. Molasses leaves the sugarcane legacy behind. Sugar moves toward perfection. Heat removes moisture from sugar's birth. Dryness strengthens purity. Cool air calms the newly formed sugar. Stability takes hold. Sugar finds order through vibration. Granules align by precision. Quality meets every grain of sugar. Light verifies its truth. Data confirms the quality of sugar. Approval opens the path ahead. Sugar travels toward its final form. Containment comes next. Weighty bags swell with refined sugar. Sealing guarantees longevity. A sealed bag preserves sugar's value. Order builds on pallets.
Structure forms from stacks of sugar. Transport now prepares.
Skilled hands guide heavy sugar loads. Warehouse awaits.
Storage breathes in shipments of sugar. Space organizes production.
Sugar rests in controlled conditions. Dispatch grows closer.
Preparation directs the flow of sugar. Movement becomes deliberate. Transport arrives to carry sugar outward. Distribution begins anew.
Sugar enters the global network. Positioning ensures safety.
Security protects each bag of sugar. Stability is locked in.
Sugar prepares for its outbound journey. Wheels will carry it afar. Power propels sugar toward markets. Motion becomes mission. Sugar leaves its birthplace behind. Commerce guides its path. Miles open to sugar trade. Distance becomes opportunity.
Sugar arrives at its logistical crossroads. Sorting resumes. Machines divide loads of sugar efficiently. Order shapes the workflow.
Data tracks sugar's every movement. Precision defines logistics. Automation guides sugar to the right lane. Direction becomes destiny. Robotics assist the journey of sugar. Technology shares the load. Storage expands upward for sugar. Capacity grows intelligently. Digital systems monitor sugar inventory. Accuracy is constant. Numbers guide sugar across the supply chain. Data fuels coordination.
Human oversight directs sugar movement. Documentation enables flow.
New transport awaits refined sugar. Demand shapes rhythm.
Each pallet of sugar finds its place. Balance ensures safe travel.
Quality extends even to sugar handling. Safety remains priority.
Protection locks in the integrity of sugar. Journey resumes. Sugar moves toward distant consumers. Transport never stops.
Landscapes mirror sugar's beginnings in sugarcane. Memory travels with product. Sugar arrives, ready for regional distribution. Workforce unites to unload.
Mechanical precision lifts tons of sugar. Order rebuilds quickly. Sugar waits in climate-controlled calm. Freshness remains protected. Visual checks safeguard sugar quality. Nothing leaves unchecked. Bulk sugar meets consumer sizing. Miniature packaging begins.
Sugar shifts into daily use portions. Convenience takes form. Sealed packets keep sugar fresh. Protection remains constant.
Sugar organizes into retail-ready units. Presentation meets practicality.
Movement aligns sugar for larger order. Automation resumes its dance.
Robotics construct pallets of sugar. Strength and symmetry combine. Tension film locks sugar in place. Stability ensures safe miles. Identity follows every shipment of sugar. Traceability guarantees trust. Sugar prepares for final dispatch. The cycle draws near completion.
Mass transport receives refined sugar. Global markets await.
Volume consolidates sugar for export. Journeys grow international.
Security seals sugar for long travel. Next step, port loading. Machines elevate sugar toward transit. Elevation marks progress. Sugar advances toward the shipping port. Distances collapse under logistics.
Maritime movement welcomes refined sugar. Global distribution opens.
Sugar rises above ocean decks. Voyage takes shape.
Stability ensures sugar's safety overseas. Preparation leads to departure.
Sugar begins its transoceanic journey. Markets await its arrival. Sugar travels toward distant shores. The world awaits its sweetness.
Day ends as sugar continues forward. Its mission extends across oceans.
Darkness wraps the vessel transporting sugar. The journey remains unbroken. Eyes ensure sugar remains secure at sea. Constant vigilance guides the voyage.
Nature tests the shipment of sugar. Strength holds steadfast.
Light returns to the traveling sugar. A new phase approaches. Destination draws near for refined sugar. Dockings bring change.
Machines seize the cargo of sugar. Transfer begins instantly.
Ocean guides sugar from sea to shore. Ground operations prepare. Sugar reaches stable footing again. Land logistics resume control. Transport shifts to road once more for sugar. Alignment becomes crucial.
Security locks sugar into new movement. Roads call again.
Sugar enters domestic distribution. Velocity returns. Commerce surrounds sugar in motion. Routes divide by destination. Sugar reaches its sorting hub. Efficiency awaits inside. Ocean reclaims each pallet of sugar. Inventory begins again. Technology tracks every movement of sugar. Nothing goes unrecorded.
Automation separates sugar by route. Organization drives clarity.
Sugar rises into orderly storage. Space becomes structure.
Human checks ensure sugar accuracy. Trust grows from routine.
Stillness surrounds resting sugar. Only time continues. Activity returns around refined sugar. Dispatch prepares again. Automated systems carve sugar's path. Precision directs movement. Verification protects sugar identity. Every detail matters.
Quality remains sacred for sugar. Testing confirms consistency.
Light reveals the truth within sugar. Clarity supports trust.
Certification unlocks sugar's next move. Green lights accelerate flow.
Orders shape each pallet of sugar. Movement prepares again.
Final logistics align for sugar deliveries. Destinations synchronize.
Demand summons fleets for sugar. Transport answers the call.
Steady hands complete sugar's final transfer. Care secures every load. Protection envelops refined sugar. Travel will remain steady. Sugar journeys toward retail networks. Distance shortens with purpose.
The route echoes sugarcane origins. Every mile recalls beginnings.
Sugar reaches its retail gateway. Flow enters its final stage.
Movement redistributes refined sugar. Placement becomes strategic. Mechanized systems guide sugar. Order defines distribution.
Hands place sugar where it belongs. Stock cycles renew.
Brand identity crowns refined sugar. Presentation meets quality. Movements carry sugar toward stores. Accessibility approaches. Retail routes receive fresh sugar stock. Distribution nears completion.
Refined sugar spreads across communities. Demand meets fulfillment.
Sugar arrives at its final supply node. Availability becomes immediate. Sugar transitions from bulk to display. Final steps unfold.
Sugar approaches consumer reach. Visibility becomes key.
Shelves absorb the journey of sugar. Presentation invites selection. Information completes sugar's retail identity. Clarity supports choice.
Aisles illuminate refined sugar proudly. Attention begins to shift.
Consumers confirm sugar quality firsthand. Selection validates the journey.
Sugar crosses the final transactional threshold. Value becomes realized. Sugar exits the realm of supply. Consumption draws near.
Refined sugar enters household space. The journey nears its end.
Sugar arrives at everyday life. Utility awakens.
Granules settle with elegant precision. Storage preserves purity.
Sugar becomes ready for use. Potential fills each grain. Sugar blends into warmth perfectly. Taste delivers meaning.
Sugar joins daily ritual gracefully. Moments become sweeter.
Sugar enters craft with purpose. Creation begins anew.
Sugar supports texture and chemistry. Harmony forms in motion.
Sugar distributes evenly through mixture. Transformation proceeds.
Sugar reacts under rising heat. Color and aroma emerge. Sugar crowns final creations with brilliance. Taste becomes reality.
Sugar-enriched products enter commerce. Cycle repeats in miniature.
Sugar travels to nearby customers. Freshness meets distance.
Sugar journeys into communities. Accessibility shapes lives.
Sugar empowers hospitality spaces. Warmth flows from every serving.
Sweet granules crown crafted drinks. Delight arrives instantly.
Sugar intertwines with conversation. Small moments deepen.
Precision meets sugar in professional craft. Flavor balances carefully.
Sugar binds flavors into harmony. Transformation continues still. Sugar defines presentation and taste. Art meets chemistry.
Sugar completes the final culinary moment. Satisfaction unfolds.
Demand analytics track sugar consumption. Patterns drive production.
Planning shapes the future of sugar. Supply meets expectation. Sugar demand renews sugarcane planting cycles. Beginnings are reborn.
Young sugarcane enters fertile earth. Potential roots itself. Sugarcane grows under nurturing streams. Strength rises from care.
Time elevates sugarcane into ripeness. Harvest draws closer.
Measurement confirms sugarcane maturity. Sweetness hits perfection.
Machines rise again for sugarcane. Cycles move forward endlessly.
Sugarcane returns to its first transformation. The loop tightens brilliantly.
Newly cut sugarcane re-enters the chain. A new generation begins travel. Queues form for incoming sugarcane. Production prepares again. Sugarcane pours into renewed cycles. Continuity holds strong.
Sugarcane releases its essence once more. Sugar takes new shape.
Purity intensifies within sugarcane fluids. Concentration returns.
Sugar rises again from sugarcane's gift. Creation renews repeatedly.
Purification isolates sugar flawlessly. Brightness emerges.
Drying stabilizes young sugar grains. Purity becomes lasting. Temperature prepares sugar for storage. Readiness strengthens.
Sugar reaches its perfected form. The end aligns with the beginning.
And this is how modern factories produce sugar from sugarcane from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.